Hi everyone, we're now officially in week 4 that started yesterday on Thursday, and I am in the content area and I'm in week 4 module 6, and module 6 is all about, it's kind of an action-packed, literally an action-packed module, because it's looking at the production of energy, the conversion of energy from light and stored into a molecule, which then can be further broken down and used to retrieve that energy later on. So that first part is going to be, of course, photosynthesis, and the second part is going to be cellular respiration. So this is a pretty important chapter, and there's actually a lot to it, so I do suggest that you start sooner than later. There's also a module discussion that's really coming from module 4. It's about cell structure analysis, so I'm kind of giving you scenario, so you're going to figure out what cell structures I'm referring to, and then you can discuss that and respond to 2 other classmates and see whether you all agree or don't agree, but just discuss it. There's instructions here. Here are the learning outcomes for module 6, a more detailed step-by-step. Here, of course, is the study plan, and if we go to that, you'll see that it covers about redox reactions, which is all about the movement of electrons to produce energy. So that's kind of how we start in both photosynthesis and cell respiration. Use electrons to produce energy, and here's photosynthesis, cell respiration, and fermentation, and then putting it all together. So that's the study plan. And then please complete the module 6. You know that you have 2 attempts that you can do, and do your best for that. And I would not do it until you've actually gone through the study plan to start with. Lab 6 is going to take some time and is kind of complicated. There's 3 parts to it, where you're doing an experiment using photosynthesis, then you do an experiment using cell respiration, and then you're going to compare the 2 metabolic processes. That is all one lab, and there's a great example here about how you're going to take photographs and how you're going to make a table and just how you're going to write it up. And then here, of course, is the grading rubric. So that is going to take a little time. It's a little bit more complicated. Also, lab 5, which is coming from module 3. Yes, coming from module 3. That needs to be turned in also by June 24th. And that's it. So I just wanted to encourage you. Remember to please contact me if you have any questions. That's what I'm here for, to help you be successful. Y'all are doing good so far. I turn in midterm grades by next week, June 23rd, and I'm going to pull those midterm grades from the grade book. So whatever your grade is there, so if you've done a quiz, whatever that, so it's kind of a moving target. We won't have had our second major exam until we start that on the 25th. So have a good day, be safe, be well, and I'll talk to you soon.